Hello! Today I'll show you how to wire a BMW GS bike to add accessory power supply. It's typically used for heated gear. Due to power requirements, it's best to feed the power directly from the battery clamps. Therefore, it's important to have a quality cable with a fuse. In the video description I have a link to the part I used. First step should be to remove the seat. I simply forgot to film that step. I hope you can forgive me for that. Then take off the cover on the right hand side. The battery sits right underneath. You can also see the black and red connection points we will use. Now, the least obvious part of the process is how to route the cable from the battery to the left side near the seat, where the heated gear power connector would be. There are lots of opinions on that, but I think I found the cleanest possible solution. Run the cable under the frame toward the Bosch control unit and around it. There is just enough space for the cable, and then on the left side there is a hole that's perfect to get the cable out. With the cable in place, remove the screw from the positive end and the bolt from the neutral end. Attach the ends of the new cable to screw it all back in. The best way to hold the cable and to remove slack is to use the strap that holds the battery. Yes, I almost forgot to tighten the screw here, but it's all good now. Put the positive end cap back on, then close the cover and tighten the screw. Now, with the seat back on, everything looks clean and all you can see is the end of the cable on the left side, zip tied to the frame. Thank you for watching.